Lights out, shades and you know the vibes. Doorman, blue cheese and we inside. Real low, yeah, we slipping like the riptide. Pink pills, drop through the trapdoor. Back room, red ropes is a little more. Cheap thrills, but got what you're looking for. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before.
Come get real close, let me show you something. Come get real close, let me show you something. Come get real close, let me show you something. Come get real close. Show you something.
Anak, happy birthday! I am so proud that my little girl has grown up to be such an amazing young woman. You are our eldest, our ate. Isang napakabait na anak at kapatid. Alam ko, masayang-masaya ka ngayon kasi andito lahat ang mga mahal mo sa buhay. Natupad din ang pangarap mo na magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng debut. I hope na hindi mo makalimutan ito sa buong buhay mo.
Happy birthday, Ate Nikki. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw na ito, sa iyong special na karawan. Laging andito lang kami ni Mami para sumuporta, mag-aral mabuti, magpakabait, stay as sweet as you are. Happy birthday, Ate Nikki!
Pictures in blue sky. It's on the moonlight. How many songs I write? You'll be my sunlight. How could I not feel love?
You're 18 now, you're an adult now. I hope that you'll be more responsible, you'll be more kind, and you'll be more happy.
I couldn't find you on my damn mind. Oh my, I'm heading into you. But you don't have
Happy birthday, Jenica Ann!
I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you.
Ipagpatuloy mo yung pagiging mabuting anak kay Kuya Unal at kay Ate Juliet at pahalagahan mo kung ano yung binibigay nila Mami at Daddy sa'yo. Happy birthday, Nikki! From your tita and tita.
You'll be my sunlight. How could I not love you?
Huwag ka masyadong magmadaling maging adult, ha? Enjoyin mo lang ang pagiging teenager mo. I hope na makuha mo lahat ng mga goals and dreams mo sa buhay.
Happy birthday, Jenica. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Jenica!
Picture Happy birthday, Nikki!
First of all, I'd like to thank everyone for coming to celebrate my 18th birthday with me. I really appreciate everyone that especially came a long way just to attend my birthday.
I'll be with you,